Good morning, students. Today is 14th May 2020. Now, as I have told you yesterday that from tomorrow I will start your literature course book. So, I am going to start it now. From today, I am going to teach you your course book. Its name is New Oxford Modern English. Clear? I think many of you have purchased this book. Those who have not purchased, please buy it as soon as possible. The content of the course book is this. Okay? Now, come to the first poem of your course book, that is Mother to Son. First of all, I am going to tell you about the poet of the poem. The poet of the poem is Langston Hughes. Langston Hughes was an American novelist, playwright and short story writer. His poetry reflects the diversity of African Americans within the USA and emphasizes their pride and identity. In this poem, Hughes puts himself in the place of a mother, speaking to her son with words of encouragement. The poem was written in 1992. That is all about the poet. Now, come to the poem. This poem is written in free verse, so it has no formal rhymes. No formal rhyme schemes is there. However, there are occasional rhymes such as stare, bear. Clear? It shows the importance of perseverance, particularly for a young African American person in the United States during segregation. Segregation means separating people of different races. So, now come to the poem. The poem is about a mother giving advice to her son about the challenges of life. It also illustrates how sometimes life becomes too heavy, but a person should never give up hope. As a representative of reality, the poem comprises the thoughts of a mother whose life is surrounded by misery. Clear, students? Now, come to the first stanza of the poem. Well, son, I will tell you, life for me hasn't been no crystal stair. Life for me ain't been no crystal stair. The word is ain't, but its meaning is has not. It's had tacks in it and splinters and boards torn up and places with no carpet on the floor, bare. The meaning of this stanza is that mother is trying to tell her son that life for her was not so easy. She has faced many hardships. Here, crystal stair means very sophisticated, easy life. But for mother, it was not easy. It has many tags and splinters. Tags means short nails, means the things which teases, which give sadness. And splinter means sharp, slender pieces of wood, means the things which was cut off. And boards torn up and places with no carpet on the floor, bare, means all these things shows that her life was very difficult at that time. But all the time, eyes have been Eyes means I have been a climbing on and reaching landings and turning corners and sometimes going in the dark where there aren't be no light. It means she is trying to tell her son that sometimes she climbed up and sometimes she lands down. Means many turning corners she has faced. Sometimes she has gone to the dark, but she never give up her hope. So boy, don't you turn back. Don't look back. Don't give up your hope. Don't you sit down. Don't rest. Don't stop on the steps. Steps means climbing steps. Because you finds it's kinder hard. Don't you fall now. For I have still going, honey. Honey is dearly said to her son. It means sweet, dear darling. I have still climbing and life for me aren't been no crystal stair. Again and again, mother is trying to tell her son about the hardships of the life. The mother contrasts this rough staircase with a crystal staircase, saying that life for me aren't be no crystal stair. The crystal stair symbolizes easy, affluent and sparkling life that is out of reach for most black people at that time. Now, the major theme of the poem is hardships, hope and courage are some of the major themes of the poem. The poem explores the dignity and determination of a person when facing problems. The mother compares her life to a wrecked and conjures up an idea that one should not give up hope, and she is trying to convince you. The poem describes the difficulties that black people face in a racist society, alluding to the many obstacles and dangers that racism throws in their ways. Obstacles and dangers that white people don't have to face but to face. Thank you, students. That's all for today.